How to create a hi5 account. So if you want to create a hi5 account, then first of all you need to download the application. So to download, open up your Play Store, go for the search bar and search for hi5, and here you will have the application. So simply tap on the install button and install it. And once it's downloaded, you can simply tap on open, and now you can continue with your Google, or you can also go for other options. And now you can continue with your Facebook or your email. So I'll be choosing email option, and now it will take you to the create account page. So now you need to enter your email address, and after entering your email address, tap on your password and then create your password, and then tap on name and enter your name, and then enter your date of birth. Now choose your gender, and then your ethnicity, and then your country. And after entering all of this information, click on create account and then accept terms. So make sure to enter the email address which you have not used previously. And after tapping on create account, your account will be created. So that's it. That's how you create your account on hi5. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.